We're looking at Walmart here on the weekly chart. You can see that we're trading up here in these all-time highs, 114.89. Anything above that, we are going to be looking at nice whole numbers for our resistances. So 115, 116, 117, etc. until the chart tells us otherwise. Coming on the downside in here, really there's nothing to save us or nothing to chart really on the weekly chart until we get down here right around these 110s. But we're going to cut this in half. We're going to look at the 112s in here because if we do get a pullback, we had too much of a run up in here, right, for the past 3 or 4 weeks. So if we do get a pullback, we're going to be looking to cut this in half. This $4 move we had on the week so far, and we're going to look at right at the 112s and see if that is going to be a source of footing for us. If not, then obviously it will be these 110s. You can see overall this move that we had in here over the past 4 or so weeks, that just off this lower trend line and just busting through this overall structure. That's coming off of good Walmart earnings. Basically, you just have to mention sort of AI in your business, no matter what it is, retail, etc. And you're going to get strong numbers. Just basically, it's been all good in here for Walmart. So that is why you had such a strong move in here. Usually you're getting a stock in Walmart where you're getting about $1 or so moves, more or less, each week. Now you're getting basically $2 moves in here like we had today. So this is crazy outlier stuff happening here in Walmart. You can see on this weekly chart. So we're going to see what happens in here. Your RSI is saying it's overbought. So if we do get a pullback in here, we're going to cut that in half. That move we had in so far here on the week, and we're going to look at right at the 112s. But if not, it's going to be the 110s. But if we do end up grinding higher, then obviously nice whole numbers working our way up until the chart tells us otherwise. $1.25 expected move is priced in by the next two trading sessions, 240 by next Friday. And then your December monthlies, everybody's pricing in right around a $3 expected move. So we're going to see what happens in here. We're going to see if we're going to continue higher or if this is going to kind of fizzle out, or if we're going to get a sharp pullback in here and have to kind of revisit the 112s or the 110s. That is going to be what we're looking at in here for the next few trading sessions. But overall, everything's strong in here. All the investors and traders like what they see in Walmart. So let's just not touch it until something happens in here. So I'm not saying not trade it. I'm saying if it's not broke, then don't fix it. Let's let the chart kind of dictate what it wants to do for us in here. Don't try to push any narrative in here. Let's just look at what it's giving us and then take that for what it's worth. So overall, we're looking at Walmart, $1.25 expected move. We're going to see if we get a pullback in here to the 112s. If not, we're going to see if we can grind higher above the 114.89s into the 115s, 116s, and the 117s. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.